What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We're just getting things loaded up here. The market got smammered today. Big red day. Uh, Big picture doesn't mean nothing. It just means we're making alpha. So let's check out the brokerage account. And you can see we had a lot of activity. We actually did make some money on some oil here. So let's go through one by one, get everything in line, and then we'll have a little chat about what's been going on. So Western Union 1080. Let's just verify that the spreadsheet is correct. Correct. PSX was a round trip order. You see it in at 122.07. Check out at 123.29. Happy Halloween to y'all too, I am burned. I'm tired. I didn't work any overtime today. Got a little slack from the homies, but sometimes you have to make a decision between money now or money forever. And I come home after 8 today because I got to get the eBay store ready for the weekend. So that's money forever. Paycheck will come and go, man. ELV 410.76. Check. 26.47 for WKC. Check. And 44.08 for CNXC. Check. So all that's good and ready to roll. ELV you have on a purchase for today. In US, we've had that for sale for a long time. So we actually have one more day trade available that we can use. And this one's the closest one to being in profits. It's a tiny one though. I guess we'll just do it. We just do it. So 1080 is the buy price. So take that number times 1.01. That will be the sell price. Do the math for yourself here. Nice easy one. Always a limit order. Always good till cancel with the extended hours. And that concludes our day trades, right? So now we're looking for, do we have anything that we didn't buy today? No, we don't. We got 400 bucks. The market got smashed. So what's the next part of the trading plan? Do you have it written down? Do not half-ass this. It can change your life. Proof. Going to the screener, right? So we're looking for stocks that we already own first, right? There's ELV right there. Just take a quick look just to make sure everything's on the ups and ups. It is. Dividends, debt low, PEs look good, all under 15. 405.76. Nice and easy, right? And it continues to go down, but it's still on the screener, right? You start to lose your value of time as the stocks go down, but continuing to buy them increases your edge, your market edge, which is math. It's just simple math. So we'll cancel this order. Shoot, that takes most of our jack too. That was already one of our day trades, so no worries there. We'll just make it a round tripper. The Beatles had a day tripper. We're going to have a round tripper. So first trigger's a second. And now we got 3 of them, hopefully. 405.76 on the buy. Limit order good till cancel with extended hours. Always. And we need a sell price. Okay. So we're going to add these up, divide by 3. That gets us the average. Take that number times 1.01. That is the sell type target that I like. So pause the video, do that math for yourself, figure out what you want to sell for. And here we go. And there is reasons and what fors. Rhyme to the reason. All right. I'm tired, so I'm trying to make sure I don't make any screw ups here, but I did check recently, and I am a human, so it could happen. $32 left. We need to go back to the screener now. We're looking for stocks that we own because we've been buying some stuff. But the price starts to come into play. We only got $32. WKC is one we had, right? Look at this thing chopping up. Going straight sideways. Dividends. PEs are normal. Debt is low. 26.15. Nice and easy, right? That eats up most of the money, so we'll stop after this one. And that'll be it for the public stuff. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice, all that stuff. You got to figure it out, but you got to know where to start. And the most important reason I continue to do these videos is just for awareness that people can understand that average people that don't make a lot of money at work uh, can really get ahead financially with the stock market. It's very possible. It doesn't take very much time at all. Get to cancel extended hours. We're going to shoot this in as a buy only. We're out of day trades, right? That's the what for. We're down to $6. I'm going to just cut it right there. So nice, easy day. We'll be looking to put sellers in for some of these others as time goes on, but got potential to really move the needle. We need to take a look big picture real quick to see how we did for just the trading portion. We don't know the dividends yet till the statements come out. 27.54. We almost doubled our goal, which is very nice. Right at about 2% on the month. So let's take a look at the SP 500, see how it did. It may have beat us. I don't know. We'll see. Not at my normal chipper self. I need a recharge here. So we'll do some eBay listening and then maybe relax a bit. What? Look at this. The stock market was down this month. We made 2%. Alpha. That is alpha. We also sold a stock today, bought and sold, and the stock market was way down. So remember what I always say. The stock market does not have to go up in order for you to pull profits out and make money. It just doesn't. But you got to have a plan written down and know the whys and what fors of how the money works. So that's all we have for the public account. We will actually go into the main account today. I had some technical difficulties yesterday and I was really tired. So I just cut it and let it run. But first, starting off with BidX here, I have a put that I sold. Not feeling too confident about it, but I really don't care. It pays awesome dividend. I'm okay to own the shares, but it's a 33 strike, so I'm still in the money, but just barely. Right? It could literally go either way, but I've already got the money. I bought real estate with it, so no matter what happens, I'm a real estate owner. So we'll go through the activity here. We did have a sale as well, but I just went through the screener until I ran out of money. I'm out of money in the main account here, so activity will slow down. Videos will start to get shorter until things start to sell. And that is the natural flow of the money in the markets. But just normal size, nothing crazy. I took Aflac here. like I was distracted here too. Being tired really does mess your whole thing up. I've been working a lot of hours trying to get this charity going. And the charity went up again month over month. I just wrote the number on the poster board in the kitchen. I track that stuff. I look at it every day. It's the reason I'm doing most of this. There's some selfish reasons too. Don't get it twisted, but I'm really trying to help folks. They don't like the way the water tastes from the river I take them to most of the time. I don't know what I even have. There's ELV. Just like we did in the other account, right? It ain't no switchery or nothing like that. Occasionally I go a little more aggressive just because there's a better flow of cash, right? So it's not as big of a deal to go a little risky if you know you're just going to have another set of dividends hit the account the following day. It's a-okay, so all good. And these are just flips, right? Nothing crazy. This one was kind of on the borderline. I'm not taking it in the public account, but I don't want to confuse the newbies. But I've been taking it because it's, I believe it's in the Dow, right? And I'm not a huge fan of the company, but it's solid, and it'll be good for, at least for hanging out for a little quick flip. I'll swing trade it too. And I'm just updating the spreadsheet. Nice, easy, and hopefully some stuff start to sell. Doesn't matter if the market rolls over, but I'm not. The one big red day doesn't signify to me that we should be running for the exits. That's a pretty cool ticker for this company. They actually got it right there too. But took this on a flip as well. It was on the screener during my break. It's the only time I look at the markets during the day. I'm sure you get a break, so don't be lazy. Don't make excuses. Just get it done, and you can get max benefits. Got to have maximum efforts. And it took me about 10 minutes to go through and buy all these. It was no big deal. All right, now we have Western Union. This was our sell today. Really, it's not on here. Okay. Tired yesterday, didn't make it. And we did sell this thing and also bought it back. It sold on its own while I was working, and then it fit the system again, and I just bought it again. No big deal. Rinse, repeat. Let's take a look here. I totally typed the wrong number. All right, because we had a sell order and then a buy order at a lower price. So remember that stocks wiggle, man. They go up and down and sideways. That's why we have 3 approaches in the main account to take advantage of all 3 market conditions. This is nice to get an extra sale here on the last day of the month. Not enough for charity money. The charity took kind of a hit. We made money on the charity. It was about a percent return for the month. So still pretty good, especially when you see the market was down, right? We didn't lose any charity money. So very cool there. That makes me feel really good. Not a crazy trading month here for the main account either. I am fully invested, so we don't need to look at any of the other stuff. Swing trades, none of that. We're broke. Always going to prioritize flip trades because they can turn around the fastest, and you can use the same dollar multiple times. So that's what we have for today. If you made it to the end of the video, do me a favor and leave a like. Make sure you're subscribed. And share this with your friends. They need to know that regular people are winning. You know, it seems like this thing where uh, I was told this BS lie that rich people are greedy and they hold the little man down, and it was ingrained in me for my whole life until just a few years ago when I started to understand how money worked. And the thing about the stock market is it's the most level playing field there is in the world for any activity, and it is rigged. And if you learn how it works, you can enjoy that. And it's really that simple. Um, Looks like the computer's not really running that great. You can see uh, we're just trucking along. So I'm looking forward to do statements with y'all and show you the passive income side of things. Remember, this is active income trading, but it feeds the passive income, which is what the end game is all about. And a lot of times, remember, it's not the things that you do, but it's the order that you do them in. And if you've ever read Rich Dad Poor Dad Chapter 1, uh, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go find out. It's audiobook free on YouTube. Um, but that's what I did today. It was a safety thing. I'm dozing, falling asleep, driving, and stuff like that. So I'm going to get some rest this evening and get ready to go back to work tomorrow at 4 a.m. But I got to get the eBay store going and things like that. And the eBay store and these videos as well are well inclined with Chapter 1 of Rich Dad Poor Dad. And, you know, if you never make an investment of time into your future likely will look similar to the way the present looks for you. It's a human behavior thing. You all are capable of more. If you're watching to this end of the video, you're trying to do better for yourself. It is possible. It is difficult to figure out how to get money into investing. Um, the trading and investing part is not difficult, but you got to do it, and it takes a little while to learn it because the market changes. So that's all I have. Thanks, y'all, for watching, and we're going to cut it off here and try it again tomorrow. Have a good evening.